Coming soon? Spacious Brick Ranch in a beautiful setting on 0.9 acre with close access to Interstate 40, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and a bonus room for possible 4th bedroom, office, playroom, or laundry room. Enjoy the front yard with mature trees, the covered breezeway, the private backyard with a large patio for entertaining or that morning cup of coffee, or spend time sitting on the deck located off the primary bedroom. Interior has been freshly painted. Updated kitchen with new cabinets, butcherblock countertops and subway tile backsplash. Dining room has beautiful original beaded knotty pine walls. New light fixtures in 3 bedrooms, the bathrooms, hallway and dining room. Bathrooms feature new vanities and a new shower in the primary bathroom. Original wood floors in the living room, 2 bedrooms and dining room. New waterproof hybrid laminate flooring in the kitchen.